You ready for Easter?
Yeah. I'm on 4th Street. Are you going to church?
You see how she just threw me on the spot like this?
What I got? Where?
Too much though.
What you got?
Nothing.
Hey, what you weigh, baby? Like 216?
Yeah, 215.
He say take off one 215.
You trying to add on? I ain't picking nobody up.
You ain't picking me up. I need my light. Whew. A thick stallion can't get up here, daddy. Like I'm tall.
Alright.
Do they need to cut it at the soap?
I'm
I'm behind you.
I'm gonna be behind. Didn't you go find out what's going on?
She said she can,
Somebody. Okay. Go get one of these. Where you get down from? Outside?
What these?
No, the
cart. The cart.
Oh, yeah, I caught dude bringing it
oh, okay.
in.
What you building?
I got to redo the frame on the bed. Frame that book. So I'm going to just go back with the flat folds
Okay.
with my slats.
Let's see this up there.
I got to get that.
It's a little thing.
Bring it down. Bring it down on these. Oh, there's some pieces. Hello everyone, welcome to Lowe's.
Yes, ma'am.
Got everything okay? Hi. You been using your Lowe's store today?
No, ma'am.
Alright. You ready for Easter?
Yeah. I'm on 4th Street. Are you going to church?
You see how she just threw me on the spot like this? I'm going to church. I'm going to church Saturday with my daughter.
Oh.
4 o'clock service.
Oh, that should be nice.
I know.
All right, have a good one. That ain't it, is it? Is that it, you?
Yeah, that's it.
No, like, get a broom or something. Because is there a other board on the other side? Because he said we need to pull it up and see what's under it to make sure.
On top of here, like this, maybe a small little gap right there, but that shouldn't matter. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It'd be that little small little piece right there, but that wouldn't matter.
I'm 40 pounds. Now don't fall.
Maybe I could put that piece of wood right here and then nail it on each side. And then that'll close that little gap, if you see what I'm saying.
Yeah. But what about that plywood that we got down there in the shed? Can we do that?
What about it, baby?
Can we use that?
No, where?
That we have in the shed?
I'm asking you. You talking saying something totally different. I'm asking you where.
Is that long enough to fit like right there in between? No. Bless you.
Yeah, this is already cut to size. He had to cut this to fit it right here. So yeah, this little space right here won't matter though.
Okay. Alrighty.
As long as we got something that you can step onto without it popping.
Alright, you
Just check.
okay. So he's testing to see if we can use this area for some storage.
Okay.
You want to explain to the camera?
Yeah, so Kiara's dad came over and cut this plywood for us. And basically, I'm just going to try and find another piece of board to cover this inseam right here, or this seam, so there won't be a gap. And then that way the boards will connect flush without making the boards bounce. I don't have no cross for it.
Okay, what's the game plan?
I'm just gonna get the nailing. That's it. Now these boards down. See how to get it open. Alright, so we just gonna pull this part down to this part. That'd be smarter. First splinter.
Oh, baby, be careful. Okay, guys, he's gonna start nailing it into the boards.
You got me nailing this in with this pink hammer.
My dad bought me a hammer kit off of Amazon. Not a hammer kit. What is it called?
Nail kit.
Nail kit. I don't know. I'll link it in my description box below.
I'm gonna knock it all the way down.
Okay.
Pull it up.
So, guys, we're just using some common nails. And it's already wood, like, what is these called? 2x4s?
Yeah.
Across. So he's just extending the space so we can utilize this as storage. Even though we do have a shed, but Decor storage, Christmas stuff. So I can't add no more. This is it. And then we got our suitcases over here, which could be moved somewhere else. But yeah, that is just suitcases. They can be in each other. But yeah. And that's the rest of the attic. Babe, when you say your man cave is going to be up here, where?
I was playing.
Oh, okay, because it's real small up here.
I was trying to get you up here.
Like, no way. Hey, I love you.
Yeah, you should. Don't worry, I got something I want for this. This. Otherwise, it could fit right in. Come back a little bit. Like this one.
I think it's fine right there.
That way we'll have more height. Cause this cut this off.
Okay. So, babe, you want to explain to them why we doing this?
You already did this.
Basically, y'all, for Christmas, I went a little crazy. And I'm not even done with the dining room. I just like to decorate the first floor. Yeah, so, I don't even know if I'm going to do the dining room. Because I went a little crazy.
Change of plans.
What's
Gonna have
up?
to go forward.
Forward.
Yep.
Because there's no support, right?
Yep.
So, guys, you want to make sure that you do have some 2x4s under it to nail it in. Because,
of course, you can go buy some more, but I'm not.
yeah, we're not trying to do all that. We're just trying to do an easy job. And so he's already sitting on what he has done. And he wear like, what you weigh, baby? Like 216?
Yeah, 215.
He say take off one 215.
You trying to add on?
But that stuff is not that heavy. So, yeah. I'm gonna nail that in, and I'll show you all the junk that we do have.
All the stuff that you have accumulated.
What?
Okay. So I need to find the other one over here.
I'm bringing the nails closer to you. Right here. Something tell me you gonna step on it.
Step on what?
Nails. How many nails you need?
Like 4. You can put them like right here. Two more.
Two more?
Yep.
What I got? Where?
Too much stuff.
What you got?
Nothing.
Some of this is Christmas stuff. Majority is Christmas. Halloween, fall. But this is the junk that has to go up there.
Alright.
I'm okay.
Better walk up stuff with them?
I think so.
On that top.
Okay. Room of bad deer. Mama.
Yeah.
I ain't buying no more stuff. she said that like she ain't believe me.
What?
She said, okay.
I think we got the other one, Jeopardy. Or one of them. Can we get Jeopardy? Or was it the other one?
It's thick style. Don't tell me that. Cause that means I can buy more stuff. Don't tell me nothing else. Okay, he making everything organized. So he put the Christmas tree right here. Put all my bins over there. He's like, you actually have more space. I said, no, don't tell me that. We're done.
So we still have some space between there.
We travel a lot, so need easy access to those. So guys, I just wanted to show you a way that we can utilize storage in the attic. Here in these newer homes, they don't really have an attic, so We just have a little small attic, but a big house. I don't understand. The storage is crazy. We can throw that away.
Why?
Plus, it ain't even got the train set.
Yes, it is.
It's stuff I need to come up here and clean out. Because
It's
you just
train set
keeping
right
stuff. No, say it again.
Yeah, we could have made a little walkway. I could put my man cave back there.
He wants to put his man cave over there. There's no way. So hold the light so they can see. Okay. So he put a shelf right here. So we just holding like a train set. And then we put all the bins. And then the suitcases in the middle. That way they're easy access. Grab and go. And then we have those two bins there. So, yep, that's everything. All the decor that I have for holiday season.
And now you have this space.
And now we have this space. Turn around. This attic entry. And then we have this landing spot here. And then he put the Christmas tree right here. And then we have a little small Christmas tree that we could get rid of right there. Anyway, so I just want to take you through the process of us, you know, getting more storage. He's moving the light around right there. Get more storage in our attic. You know, if you ladies need any ideas. So, anything you want to say, my dear? Why are you playing with the light? If the light look crazy, it's
trying to get your glow.
Trying to get my glow. I told you where it was.
Okay, well, let's go. I'm ready to go top there.
All right. So, thank you guys. And comment, like, and subscribe.
I ain't picking nobody up.
You ain't picking me up. Anyway, guys, I'll be taking you guys on many homeowner adventures that we have. We do a lot of do-it-yourself projects. And, yeah. So I'm going to pan around so you can see everything.
You ain't gonna nail it.
What? Are you crazy?
I'll be sure to come over and nail it.